With due respect, I disagree with that kind of a thinking that para bang sinasabi na optional or discretionary lang on the part of the Senate na mag-convene as an impeachment court once the articles of impeachment are transmitted to it. So it's very clear sa Constitution. It's a constitutional imperative. It's an imperative constitutional process. The Constitution, the language of the Constitution says shall. Hindi ito may. Hindi sinabi ng Senate. The Senate may convene as an impeachment court once the articles of impeachment is transmitted. So hindi po ako nag-agree sa kanyang paniniwala na nasa Senado ang kapangyarihan o yung prerogative whether or not to convene as an impeachment. They have no choice but to convene once the process is set in motion. And the very process that sets it in motion is the transmittal of the articles of impeachment from the House once approved by at least 1/3 of its members. And we expect that on Monday or any day close to Monday.
So they will be violating the Constitution if they push through po na hindi mag-convene?
I would think so. I would think so. Mali lang yung ganyang paniniwala na pwede rin na hindi sila mag-convene kapag let's say magputuhan at ang manaig is wag na tayong mag-convene. They have no such choice or discretion kasi clear para sa akin ang text ng Constitution, Article 11 of the 1987 Constitution. Thank you.
Thank you.